In this video you will learn how to create different type of tar archives and how to extract them. Let's get started. I have these three text files in my documents directory. I will add them to tar.gz and tar.bz to archives one by one using Linux commands. To create tar archives using Linux commands, we need to open the terminal and go to the same directory where these files are located. I am already in the documents directory of my Linux machine. To check what files this directory contains, you can run ls command. Now I am adding all these three text files to tar archive by using above command. By running ls command you can verify the creation of tar archive. You can also verify the same in your working directory. Now we will create tar.gz archive using command line. You can see that tar.gz archive has been created. Now I will create tar.bz2 archive using command line. You can see that tar.bz2 archive has been created successfully. Now we will see how to extract the tar.gz and tar.bz2 archives. For demonstration, I will use the same tar archives we just created. First we will see how to extract tar archive. Before proceeding, let's delete the text files from the directory so that we can easily verify whether our archive is successfully extracted or not. We will run the above command to extract/uncompress the tar archive. The tar archive is successfully uncompressed. You can verify the same using command line or browsing file system. We will now extract tar.gz archive. Archive is successfully extracted. Let's verify it. Now I will show you how to extract tar.bz2 archive. Tar.bz2 archive is successfully extracted. Let's verify it. In this video you learned how to create and extract different type of tar archives. If you find this helpful, hit like button and share your feedback in the comment section. Also, consider subscribing the channel if not done already. Thanks for watching.